Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to properly remove or replace the front headlights from any Suzuki Grand Vitara out there. So today I'm working on this car, and in the previous video I showed you all how to remove the front bumper on this car, because otherwise you won't be able to have access to the bolts which are securing the headlights mounted to the car. So to begin the headlights you have to remove the two screws from the top, and after that you have to remove this screw from the bottom corner. After that, into the other corner you have only one plastic clip which it will come out if you pull from the headlight. After that, the only thing which you have to do is to remove a lot of connectors from behind the headlights, and then the headlight will come out from the car. I think you'll have 6 or 5 connectors behind it. I'm not exactly sure because I didn't count them, but you'll have to do the exact same thing which I'm showing you right here in the video. Alright everybody, so as you saw, I disconnected all the connectors from behind the headlight. It was a little bit difficult to remove all of them without breaking any plastic clips, but eventually I was able to do it. So as you can see, you'll have 5 connectors connected to the behind of the headlight, to the back of the headlight, and after that you can put the headlight away from the car. You'll have to do the exact same thing on the other side if you want to remove it from the car, and from here this is all you have to do. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.